sa data natin, Red, ilan ba ang nakalagay na, ilan pa ang walang ID ng mga munisipyo? Meron pa ba?
Meron pa rin kong eh.
Mga ilang percent? Or ilan?
Roughly about 15 to 20% pa rin eh. Ang kine-claim nga kasi nila is yung pondo, yung funding. Kaya marami sa mga solo parents natutuwa sila nung nalaman na magkakaroon ng unified ID dahil imbis na papel na lang, may ID talaga sila
Yes, so
mahawakan.
Marco, you've heard this and you can confirm this with the ILG. There are still 15 to 20% ng mga LGUs that do not issue IDs because they cannot afford to. Kaya lagi ang sabi, pwede nyo gamitin ang GAD fund if you're a 5th class or 6th class municipality. So, sana yun ang unahin. Can you make that recommendation? We will also write a formal letter
Yes.
to Secretary Rex, but can you make that recommendation?
Yes ko nga po.
Ha?
Noted down po yung mga recommendations.
Unahin mo na yun kasi silang wala. Ba't mo bibigyan yung mga cities na marami ng pera? Kaya nilang i-afford. Unahin natin yung mga wala. Tama ba ko, Kong Red?
Yes, tama naman Kong. Kaya lang, baka magulat ka kasi may mga cities na can-afford pero hindi rin nag-i-issue na.
Are you serious?
Pinag-uusapan namin kanina ni Marco.
Walang card? Walang ID?
Walang card Kong. Papel lang, certification lang.
At least may ID. Certification, hindi man lang ID?
Hindi man lang ID.
Ano bang requirement ng batas natin? Di ba ID?
ID dapat.
Oy, sa mga LGUs, hindi po yan certification. Huwag niyo pong isabay sa inyong sarili nyong ID. Because parang sa PWD, or kahit may sarili kayo ID, lagyan nyo, solo parent.
Yes,
Because
dapat.
they have their own set of benefits.
Correct.
Diba? Yeah, but that is going to be a concern
Yes.
because ang nasa batas is solo parent ID.
Correct.
So baka pag ini-implement na to at pinakita na certificate lang, it might not be honored.
Yes.
So, DSWD should take the lead on this kasi I don't want this. Parang dapat kayo nagko-call ng attention nila. What have you done kung mga ganito lang, papel lang,
Yeah.
no ID?
Correct.
Have you called their attention?
Ayan naman po, meron naman po tayong coordination with our other national government agencies, LG, BIR, or even the DOE.
But you're the lead agency.
Yes po, opo.
So, what do you do?
So, inuusap po siya sa quarterly meetings natin, like sa interagency meetings po. So, to address
pero
that.
dapat you should be proactive. You are the lead agency.
Yes,
Dapat
Kong.
proactive kayo in writing letters to these LGUs na, hey, bakit ganito ang solo parent ID nyo? Bakit wala kayong solo parent ID? Ba't wala kayong solo parent booklet? Wala kayong monthly subsidy?